right at Proformance Unlimited. Today on the dyno is a Ford 408 Windsor stroker with a Terminator X unit on top here and a dual sync distributor, CVF full boat kit, Ford Racing valve covers, and this thing looks, sounds great, and it's quite a thumper. So we call these stump pullers because they make torque just right off the hop. These Windsors, they pull great. If you need a Windsor for your Bronco or your 88 Ranger, or say F-150, F-250, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to give you the options. Even say the new Godzilla. 1-800-267-3940.
Fires up beautifully. Great oil pressure. EFIs are where we want them. AFRs, excuse me. Let's make a roll.